Autel Robotics Drone Deployed by Scientists for Volcano Research. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. An international team of scientists has deployed an Autel Robotics drone to monitor activities on Costa Rica's Irazu volcano. Selected for its high-quality sensor and durability, the Autel EVO Lite Plus drone served as the perfect solution for conducting research using an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Operable in conditions with up to 37-knot winds, the EVO Lite Plus flew safely through 17 knots. The drone was operated by certified FAA Part 107 Remote Pilot Ian Godfrey, who is SINAC Certified for UAS, Unmanned Aircraft System, operations in national parks. The team successfully collected data and applauded the drone's remarkable performance in spite of the high-altitude volcanic environment and windy conditions. Personally, I really liked the sensor and overall durability of the drone. We operated in many complex environments, and the drone performed perfectly, said Godfrey. These factors allowed us to gather the necessary data without complication. The drone performed wonderfully in high-altitude volcanic environments and had great wind resistance, making it both an economical and ideal solution for conducting professional research with a UAS. The scientific team employed the Autel EVO Lite Plus drone to record various elements of the main crater of the Irazu volcano, such as lake water levels, areas of mineralization or crystallization, potential vents degassing volcanic emissions, and the absence of subaquatic fumaroles. The team also evaluated areas for risk of future rock falls and erosion or cracking within the volcano's main crater. The EVO Lite Plus proved its ability to generate both 2D maps and 3D models of volcanic geological features, and the team continues to leverage the drone in the field. Autel's EVO Lite Plus camera drone is able to remain aloft for 40 minutes, and features cinematic flight modes and camera settings. The drone utilizes ultra-wide-angle obstacle avoidance to maneuver around environmental obstacles. Autel Skylink and a transmission range of 7.4 provide crystal-clear visuals. Autel's Moonlight algorithm grants first-rate low-light performance.